Boija. Coconut corn bread. A soup from Dominica. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Dissolve the yeast in 1 cup lukewarm water. Step 2. Pour into a mixing bowl and add half the flour to make a sponge. Cover with a cloth and leave in a warm place to rise until double in bulk, about 1.5 hours. 3. Add all the rest of the ingredients in enough water. Pour into about
2
1
greased
cup
9 by
to make a
5
stiff batter,
3-inch
beating
loaf
thoroughly with a
pans.
wooden spoon to
Cover
incorporate
loosely
the
with a
sponge
cloth and leave
in a warm place to rise until double in bulk, about 1.5 hour. Step 4. Bake in a 350F oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the bread begins to shrink from the sides of the pan and the top is lightly browned. Step 5. Let cool for a few minutes in the pan. Then, turn out on cake rack to complete cooling. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.